Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect Brevo with WordPress. This is useful for integrating forms, syncing contacts, and automating email campaigns. So once you've logged into your WordPress dashboard, you will open your WordPress dashboard and you will navigate to the plugins. So it should be somewhere right here, but it really depends on your layout. So once you see your WordPress plugins, basically what you will have to do is click add new if you do see that option. So anyway, what you will have to do is you will install the Brevo plugin. So just go ahead and look for that, or if it's already listed down here, then you can just click that as well. So anyway, what you will have to do is you will I'll look for Brevo and click that, and then what you will have to do is either click get started or install it. And then once you've installed it, you will just have to activate it, and then you will get the API key from your Brevo account. So what you will have to do is go to your settings, which is this gear icon right here, and what you will have to do next is you will look for your API key. So it should be somewhere right here. So what you will have to do once you're here is you will basically just copy your API key. So just go ahead and click this, and then for privacy reasons I won't be able to show it. So what you will have to do is you will just have to click this and copy your API key. And once you have copied your API key, you will just have to connect your plugin. You will in your WordPress you will paste the API key from your Brevo. So yeah, and basically you will just have to click save once you pasted your API key, and to test the connection you will send a test email and ensure that it's delivered. And yeah, that's basically just how you can connect your Brevo with WordPress, and I hope you found this video uh, helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.